Began the newscast today by talking about the fact that a winter storm is coming for Sunday. Now let's figure out how much we're going to get.
Brittany, my husband texted from the grocery store. He said it's calm now. I said just wait.
Just wait until tomorrow.
Right.
Yeah. We're going to be watching this storm very closely, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to be trying to run their errands Saturday. And you have a couple of hours early on Sunday. But live on Sky 6, looking at our One Cathedral camera, we are stuck in the clouds, a lot of low visibility out there this afternoon. The next big thing, let's hop right into it. We have a nor'easter on the way. So we know that Saturday is a quiet day. Let's talk about the timing with Sunday. I've been mentioning how initially as the precipitation arrives Sunday morning, this is around 9 o'clock, it's going to be a period of rain and snow showers. I don't think things stick initially because our temperatures are still going to be a little bit too mild for that to happen. But as the atmosphere cools, this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice it's snow for everyone. Let's continue to press through play here with timing. 9 o'clock at night, the snow is coming down, the winds are whipping, and you can just see the intensity with this darker banding of purple. That continues Sunday night, even into Monday morning at 9 o'clock. We're still dealing with snow showers. It's starting to fall apart as the storm continues to depart offshore, but this is going to be a rapidly strengthening storm. So when we look at the wind speeds here up and down the East Coast Monday morning, I mean, we're talking about winds gusting over 40 miles per hour in Rehoboth, close to 50 miles per hour in Surf City, and you add that combination of the intensity of the snowfall with the amount of snow that we're going to be dealing with. At the coast in particular, we could be dealing with near blizzard conditions. There are some models that are outputting 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts, and this is where we have our jackpot zone, if you will. 8 to 12 inches of snow for Toms River down to Atlantic City, Cape May County, down into Sussex County, Delaware, and then a lot of our region looking at 4 to 8 inches of snow. This is our first call snowfall map, so if we need to make some tweaks, we'll be doing that through the weekend. But this is going to be a moderate to major impact in terms of snowfall across our area. A lot of times people wonder, what are the snow ratios going to be? For every inch of liquid, you're looking at about 10 inches of snow here. This is going to be a pasty, concrete-like wet snow. So for the kids, it'll be nice for sledding. It'll be nice for building snowmen. Anybody that has a heart condition, heart disease, this is considered that heart attack snow. So do not shovel, do not clear the snow. Find somebody that can safely do it for you come Monday. Looking at what's happening out there right now, all the precipitations to our north. The rain from this morning, it's out of here. We're just left with the low clouds and a lot of patchy fog. Visibility around the city and points north and west under 3 miles. We're at the mildest point of the day right now, 45 in the city, and notice some areas to the south pressing into the low 50s. So feeling pretty good. And things are going to be feeling pretty good at least tomorrow. Lots of clouds in the Lehigh Valley, but a great day to be outside with our temperatures ranging from the mid 40s to near 50 degrees. Your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast shows we start the AccuWeather alert on Sunday. Rain and snow showers, a period of heavy snow, gusty winds Sunday night, and then we'll watch as that snow lingers into Monday. Temperatures much cooler Sunday into Monday in the upper 30s. Still a chilly day on Tuesday, partly sunny and breezy, and then we're trying to bring back the 40s and the 50s, guys. More clouds and rain showers as we head toward the end of the week. Hopefully that can help melt this snowfall.
Sarah and I agree that pasty and concrete-like are not great.
Not good words for the snow.
Not great adjectives,
Okay. I know.
Break out the jackhammer, I guess, again. Okay, Brittany, thank you. A quick programming note now with that possibility for significant snow Sunday into Monday. The Action News Morning team will be on early to bring you the latest updates as you start your week. Join Matt, Aliana, Karen, and Matt also beginning at 4 a.m. on Monday.